What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let me get these bikes fired up and we'll get right into the video. Alright, so today we're gonna go. One of Jeremiah's friends found like an old cabin in the woods, or like an old house, and we're always looking for different areas to ride. So I kind of want to go check out this place. Let me turn my choke off real quick. She's warm now. So we're gonna go check out this spot. I think there's a pretty good amount of land back there that we could probably ride, but I haven't been back there but maybe one time, and I just kind of want to go check out this house. So let's ride up there and we'll see what it's all about. So Jeremiah's on the SSR today. Hopefully you can hear me over how loud that little bike is. It's a fun little bike to get out and put around on. We got that bike probably about a year ago. The SSR has actually been a really good little pit bike. Popo. I love how as soon as Jeremiah seen that cop slammed on his brakes, it would have been too late by that time anyways. But anyways, I'll probably be doing a SSR video in the future on how that bike is held up, what problems I've had, and how I like the bike. So if you want to watch a video like that, stick around because I'll probably be doing one here real soon. So this is the school that we always come up here riding around. There's like a larger parking lot in the back, and they have some basketball hoops back there. And we like coming up here at night and just kind of goofing off in the evenings after everyone's went home. Ooh, that's a little soft right there. But apparently this abandoned cabin or house or whatever you want to call it is back here on this old tower road. So somebody's been riding back here too. That was dirt bike tracks. So we're going to go down this road and see where it takes us. I haven't filmed the whole way back here, but this has been muddy getting back here. And oh my god, dude, that is creepy looking. What in the world? Dude, that is creepy looking. Man, that's a pretty view though. Dude, that cabin looks like something you would see in scary movies. Yeah, I gotta get some B-roll on that. Dude, all the thorn bushes trying to get in this house. Alright guys, we just found an abandoned house. So they've been painting rocks, look.
Yeah.
This is wild, dude.
You can see paint on like the door and stuff.
Yeah. These floors like actually aren't that bad looking.
Dude, what happened here? Somebody got a little trigger happy with the gun.
What the heck? Wow. Yeah, they were shooting at it. Wonder how old this is.
Seems pretty new to me, honestly. What do you think?
I don't know.
Seems like it'd be kind of like a summer cabin. Like you can come down here and stay for the night or something in the summer. Or in the winter, like hunting.
Right.
If I had to guess. I don't know.
I'm in here smoking cigarettes. Empty cigarette pack.
President doesn't see a bunch of beer cans all over the place.
Yeah, I know.
Seems like somewhere you can find that.
Oh my god, dude, the back of your hoodie
Yeah, I don't even.
is roosted.
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
There's another shed over there. There's something in that shed.
Oh, that's the generator.
There's a generator?
Yeah. I believe so. That's what I think it is. One of my friends came up here and they said there was a generator, so there's a lot.
There's a fire extinguisher.
It's a little random. A little random knickknacks.
That's wild.
There's a gas can too. Looks like they were working on it at one point. Dude, what shot through that?
Little 12 gauge. Oh, that is a generator. What the heck?
So I guess the generator ran to the house.
Like, that actually looks like it's in pretty good shape.
It does.
That's crazy. Wow. I think that thing would start.
Oh, it would.
Dude, that thing would start.
Makes me wonder how old it actually is.
Right.
Maybe it's not so abandoned. Maybe it's like 2 years abandoned. What's in this shit? Dad,
Huh?
what do you think's in that shit?
I don't know. It's like an old doghouse. This is a doghouse.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, I think so.
There's a bunch of water hooked up to that shed. I wonder what, I think, oh, there's a water tank. There's a storage tank right there.
Oh, on the backside.
Yeah. I wonder what that's for.
I don't know.
I wonder if they kind of had it set up like a camper, but just like spread apart. You think this is like for horses?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Pretty view.
Yeah.
Alright guys, well there you have it. We came up here and we checked out the abandoned cabin. It was pretty cool, kind of creepy, but pretty cool. I think that me and Jeremiah should maybe do an overnight challenge in that thing. It's summertime, or getting to be summertime. Temperatures are going to start getting warmer. I think that would be a fun video to do. So that's going to do it for this vlog, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe. That helps me out. And like I said, maybe we'll come back and actually do an overnight challenge in the cabin. And I just think that would be a fun video. So thanks again, guys, for watching. And we'll catch you on the next one. Roll that outro.